Yeah, but don't push it.
Yeah, don't.
Move, Xander.
That is for you to go that way or this way or turn.
Okay, no closer. We gotta send that to Cole. We gotta send that to Cole.
Where's she going?
She wasn't by. She was going.
Why don't you come out on the other side of the church?
Yeah.
She's gonna
She's
come.
way over there.
You see her or what?
Still going.
You can hear it.
No, we can hear it. She's going.
Oh, where's she gone?
She ain't coming back.
She'll come back. She's probably going to go around the
Because she couldn't turn sharp enough, so she's going to go all the way around.
No, there she is.
There she is.
There she is.
Because the cops are going to come arrest us for having too much fun. They're going to arrest us for putting old ladies on the go-kart.
Hey, yeah, girl.
Shh, Camila. Wait till those old people see there's an old woman on the go-kart. I thought she was covering her face. Get her face, get her face. Get her face. Move, here comes the car.
She's not gonna stop.
Okay, Xander. Now this is a real problem. Both of your grandmas have gotten on it.
I told you everybody be riding it.
I love it.
There she's gonna turn.
We're gonna have to put it inside. It's gonna be hard taking it out.
I don't think anybody's ever gonna stop riding it.
Keep on her face for this one. You want one now?
My turn, Daddy.
You get it on it?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
He wants to go again.
Where do you go?
I'm too sure about how to turn it
He likes it.
It's loud.
yet.
Yeah, well, that's why he's scared of it at first. It was so loud.
He's not even scared. You're not even scared. You're not even.
Because he started to sit in it and then I turned it on, put the engine on.